Here I have VIVO Y17 and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to this lower bar here, and here you can find Wi-Fi hotspot. So by tapping on this button once, you can switch your hotspot. By holding your finger on it, you can access some of its settings. So here you can change its name, here you can change its security protocol, here you can change its password. You can also change its IP band. You can set your hotspot to be hidden. And you can also set up data limit, number of maximum connections allowed. You can also set it to turn off automatically when nobody is connected, and you can use it, like you can use this data, you can share hotspot via Bluetooth and via USB too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.